Hi, I'm back after 6 months. Let's continue upgrading laptops together.
Today, we're upgrading the Lenovo V15 G4 IRU for a faster and smoother performance. This is the full RAM and SSD upgrade guide for the Lenovo V15 G4 IRU. Part number 83A1004SAK.
Let's boost this laptop in just a few simple steps. First, remove all screws from the bottom cover. Gently lift the panel using a plastic pry tool.
This is the M.2 NVMe SSD slot.
Here is the RAM slot. Simply open the metal brackets to remove the old module. Now close the back cover and tighten all screws. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next upgrade guide.